Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, you can basically take the weather that we had yesterday and apply it to today and tomorrow. It'll be a few degrees cooler, but basically partly cloudy, temperatures in the 40s, just a slight chance of some rain or snow showers. As we take a look right now from our city cam, we have some clouds out there. Temperatures not too bad for this time of year. Providence at 35 degrees, Pawtucket you're at 34, Newport 34 degrees, and Block Island at 34. One thing you will see pretty much all weekend long is a steady breeze. We're not necessarily talking about really gusty conditions, but you'll notice in Newport right now a wind out of the northwest at 13 miles an hour. The wind chill is at 25, and winds generally between about 10 and 20 miles an hour for today and into tomorrow. So keep in mind when you look at the actual high temperatures, which I'll put up in a few minutes, you have to subtract a few degrees to factor in the wind chill. Providence right now 35 degrees, not quite as breezy. Right now winds here out of the northwest at 8 miles an hour, the wind chill at 29. So definitely bundle up if you're heading out early this morning, maybe to walk the dog or do some early morning errands. As we look back at the winter now, keep in mind winter in the traditional sense, the astronomical winter doesn't end until March 20th, but the meteorological winter, that actually ended a couple days ago, the last day of February. So when we look at December, January, and February, here are some statistics that are actually kind of interesting. The average temperature was 33.6 degrees. That's when factoring both high and low temperatures. And that was almost 2 degrees above normal. That doesn't seem quite right because, of course, we had that cold, snowy February. But keep in mind, December was quite warm, hence that lifted the average to slightly above normal. Now, snowfall was way above normal when looking at these 3 months. Total snowfall, 40.1 inches, almost 14 inches above normal. So obviously that blizzard helped with that quite a bit. As we look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12 right now, no precipitation to track, no rain, no snow, and most of the weekend will end up rain-free. Here's one of the reasons why. We do have a disturbance of the atmosphere kind of hovering just off to our east, but notice the moisture trying to seep down to the south, but most of these little blips will actually miss us over the next 48 hours, so that means that not a lot of rain or snow in the forecast, with the exception of a slight chance tonight through tomorrow. As we look at the forecast for this morning, 8 o'clock we're at 37 degrees, by noontime 40. Similar to yesterday, the brightest part of the day will probably be late morning into the early afternoon. As we go into the late afternoon, we'll probably see some of those clouds start to increase from the west, similar to what we saw on Friday. South Shore temperatures in the mid-40s today. Coventry, you get up to 43 degrees. For northern Rhode Island, temperatures just a smidge cooler, 41 in Burrillville, 44 Johnston. Cumberland gets up to 41 degrees. And in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also in the 40s with a wind out of the north at 5 to 15 miles an hour. 7-day Futurecast shows, again, the next several days, pretty similar in terms of those temperatures. As we look at tonight, I should say, into tomorrow, about a 20% chance of a rain or snow showers. But again, as Steve Nielsen accurately pointed out, that means there's an 80% chance that it will not rain or snow. So anything that's around will be very spotty. Good news on the storm for the middle of next week. Right now, the latest computer models actually track it offshore. We still need to watch it, and a snow event or a mix is still possible, but at this point it does not look like a major snowstorm, but it will get close enough where we still have to watch it carefully. 7-day Futurecast into Friday brings in temperatures in the low 40s with partly cloudy skies. So, you know, this weekend we'll take it, the first time in a long, long time where we're not busy talking about rain or snow.
So I don't understand. So there's only 2 days where I saw something other than sunshine or a little bit of clouds. I'm confused by that.
It's a really nice looking 7-day forecast. I know you're not used to this really nice calm weather.
It's fantastic.
It's reality, Steve. Got to get used to it.
I like it. Thanks, Pete. Your time right now is 6:21. Well, there's more coverage you can count on coming up on Eyewitness News. One of the East Coast's largest fishing ports is about to get a major facelift. Find out who's footing the bill. Plus, 4 people are serious